So today we are going to discuss about analysis of time series in statistics. First, we'll see some small introduction. Time series data is a collection of data points over a set period. Time series analysis is a method of analyzing data to extract useful statistical information and characteristics. One of the study's main goals is to predict future value. When forecasting with time series analysis, which is extremely complex, extrapolation is required. However, forecasted value and the associated uncertainty estimation can make the result extremely valuable. Then what is time series analysis? It is actually a method for analyzing a collection of data points over a period of time. Instead of recording the data points intermittently or randomly, the time series analyst record data points at consistent intervals over a set period of time. So there are some examples given: time series data, cross-sectional data, pooled data. So these are some of the examples for time series analysis. Why do we need actually time series analysis? What is the purpose for using time series analysis? Time series analysis, it has a range of applications in statistics, sales, economics, and many areas. Common point is the technique used to model the data over a given period of time. So the reasons for doing time series analysis are features, forecasting, and inferences. Features like trend, seasonality, and variability are used for forecasting the future, like the prediction of stock prices. It is used if you would like to know if the prices will rise or fall and how much will it rise or fall. Inferences, you can predict the value and draw inferences from data using the time series analysis. So here again some of the examples given. So here when you see mainly the examples are in finance, retail, e-commerce. They frequently use time series analysis. Stock market analysis, especially when combined with automated trading algorithms, is an excellent example of time series analysis in actions. Time series analysis is also used in rainfall measurements, automated stock trading, industry forecast, temperature readings, sales forecasting. So here it is actually a graph. It detects the passenger data, railway passenger data. The count of passengers are taken as y-axis, the time is taken as x-axis. Years are taken as x-axis, and for y-axis we have the number of passengers. So it is given here. The trend over the given over time, an increasing or decreasing pattern has been observed in the above graph. So the total number of passengers have risen over the time. And seasonality, like for some seasons the pattern may repeat, for example during festival seasons. So cyclic patterns are the ones that repeat after a certain interval of time. Then the time series analysis types. How many types of time series analysis are there? Curve fitting, descriptive analysis, explanative analysis, segmentation. So these are some of the time series analysis types. So what do you mean by curve fitting? It plots data on a curve to investigate the relations between variables in the data. Descriptive analysis, patterns in the time series data such as trends, cycles, and seasonal variations are identified. Explanative analysis is some attempts to comprehend the data and the relationships between it. Segmentations are, it splits the data into segments to reveal the source data's properties. Okay, now components. The crucial components of this techniques are follows. Some of the components: trend, cyclic variations, random or irregular movements, seasonal variations are some of the main components. So, trend displays usual tendency of data. It may go downward or upward over a specific long period. The movement or direction may change over the duration. However, the trend's tendency must remain the same. What about cyclic variations? These refer to the variations occurring in a time series that operate themselves for over a year. Random or irregular movements, as the name suggests, these are irregular movements in a time series. Fluctuations are unpredictable, uncontrollable, and erratic. What with seasonal variations? Seasonal variations occurs in a short time. They may be recorded as daily, hourly, weekly, monthly, or quarterly schedules. It depends upon the different climatic conditions also. Okay. Now the advantages. What are the main advantages of time series analysis? So time series analysis helps the individuals and business peoples to analyze the historical data set and its patterns, mainly to predict the future trend. Disadvantages are also there. They does not support the missing values, so that cause inaccurate results also occur in the long term. So time series analysis has a wide range of applications and it is one of the most important areas of study. It plays an important role in the forecasting models and meaningful statistical characteristics. So thank you for this presentation.